So our top story this morning, those economic figures about how our economy got on in 2018. It grew at its joint slowest rate for a decade. So that meant the economy was 1.4% bigger by the end of 2018 than it was at the beginning. Back in 2017, that figure was 1.8%. Hence the headlines of a slowdown this morning. Office for National Statistics blamed falls in factory output, car production for the slowdown, amongst other factors as well. Forecasts of slower growth in 2019, lots to do with, heard Philip Hammond talking about Brexit uncertainty, weaker global economy as well. Some parts of the economy are brighter though. The ONS singling out, the Office of National Statistics, singling out management consultants, IT, healthcare. Here's Mark Street-Docherty of Elusogene Diagnostics. It's a small business in Manchester which makes diagnostic kits that test newborns for cystic fibrosis.
For us, we're still seeing a huge amount of growth, both in our own business and actually in the sector as a whole. It's the health service and it's international healthcare services. Ultimately, medical technologies and the medical technology industry support cost savings nationally, but also actually support patients getting better treatment. We are operating in 50 countries. Around 15% of our revenue comes from our domestic trade here in the UK, the rest coming from abroad. We're seeing around 60% of that is currently coming through Europe. People still need a healthcare solution regardless of what the outcomes of Brexit are. So we're not seeing the brakes put on.
Mark Street-Docherty there with a diagnostics company that seems to be having a great 2018.